Well, as we continue on with Earth Week, some kids on Long Island getting a hands-on lesson in making this planet a better place. Here's News 4's Adam Cooperstein.
Inside the Long Island Explorium in Port Jefferson, the arts and crafts selection may sound familiar.
Shredded paper, paper towel, cotton balls. We have ribbon paper, cheesecloth.
But for these young kids, it's serious science.
I have a question. What do you think this would take out?
I think that would take out the smaller fine particles of gravel.
The activity, a do-it-yourself water filtration system, is just one of the many hands-on projects children are enjoying at this innovative Earth Week camp.
We feel that children should learn by coming up with their own solutions or understanding of the problem. So it's got to be hands-on. You don't tell them how to solve the problem. First of all, they have to understand what is the problem in the first place, right? The problem is, for example, there's no clean water.
I'm going to come around to everyone. I'm going to put water in. We're going to see how well your filter works. You see how you guys got a lot of the gravel out? That was a very good step. We also bring this back to our local Long Island Pine Barrens of an aquifer of how that is our fresh water source. And when it rains, that's how it gets recharged and how Long Island gets its own fresh water.
Also remarkable, the kids here are on spring break, soaking up knowledge away from the regular classroom while avoiding other distractions.
I would have just watched TV all day, so it's something for me to do, and I can also learn from it as well.
The camp is one of many Earth Week activities for kids in the tri-state. In New York City, the Parks Department has a lot happening on Earth Day Friday, including a hike for kids in Prospect Park, a nature puppet show at Fort Totten Park, and a big event in Crotona Park, where kids can make art out of recyclable material.
3 R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle. So this is a really fun way of kind of putting that into practice.
On Long Island, everyone is invited to the Explorium on Saturday morning for a free Earth Day celebration from 9 to 11 a.m. But no matter how you mark the day, educators urge parents to do something with their kids because these lessons will last a lifetime.
I'm going to go out there and say, I'm going to be a steward of the earth, I'm going to be a good citizen, and I'm going to do my part because I have a role to play. If I want the earth to stay beautiful, clean, and I want to have a healthy lifestyle going forward, I need to play a role.
Adam Cooperstein, News 4 New York.